this is the Professor Blue Review. Success on YouTube. This is the Professor Blue Review. We're working on YouTube success, helping you figure it out. Hey, I held up my golfer here, and conceptually, what I was talking about here is holding your form, staying consistent. Staying consistent on YouTube is monumental. Making sure you're loading, downloading every day. Stay consistent in your posting and stay honest. Be your character. Be yourself. So hold your form like my championship-focused golfer here, and consistently download videos and stay steady. Get on a schedule. Consistency is everything. Above all, start your channel. Get it going. Get consistent like my championship golfer. This is the Professor Blue Review. This is the Professor Blue Review. Hello, this is the Professor Blue Review. Success on YouTube. I'm going to give you a 1-minute suggestion here, and thanks to Carol Kroll, a great YouTuber. That's KK. That's K-double-K. Carol Kroll. Number 1, find your own groove and the way you want to present your message and your business on YouTube will take time, effort, and most importantly, experimentation. Get out there and experiment like I was experimenting with the cowbell. Yeah. You like that one or do you like this one? Right, you got to get an experiment. You got to get out there and experiment and hold your form. Championship focus. This is Professor Blue Review. YouTube success. Please dive in and subscribe, share, and enjoy the Professor Blue Review. Have a good day. As educators, as parents, as professors, as coaches, it's time to wake up our kids. Wake up our kids and get them back into education. But we got to do it fun. Education's got to be fun. Learning's got to be fun. Here's how you do it. Come see us. Look down below, and we will take you to the Professor Blue Review and enjoy education. Get the kids back into new knowledge and learning and enjoying their new learning. Enjoying to learn new knowledge. To love learning. Check it out down below. Take care. Hello, champions. Let's be champion learners. Let's get our kids loving learning. Hey, check out the link below in the description of the video for STEAM Discovery Learning. We got to make learning fun for kids to love it. Plus, our 24/7 relaxation music, Professor Blue Music. Thanks. Our next video is 20 ways to YouTube success. 100% every day. Have a good day. Please dive in and subscribe, share, and enjoy the Professor Blue Review. Have a good day. Let's get your kids excited about learning and getting them into activities that will teach them skills for a future career, a future job, a future position, a future life.